Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send video message on WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you're inside WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to send video message on WhatsApp, you can head over to any chat where you want to send the video message. So tap on any chat. Once you're in the chat page, at the bottom of your screen, you can see the message box. You can tap on it to write any messages. But in order to send the video message, here you can see the camera icon over here. Tap on it. It will open up the camera of your device. You can click and send a photo from here. But if you want to send a video message, you can select any videos from your gallery, or you can even record a video right away. Here you can see the video option. Tap on it. You can press the start button and it will record the video and you can send it in your chat. If you want to send a video message from your gallery, you can tap on this photo icon over here. Here it shows all the files from your gallery and the video files will have this camera icon in it, so you can choose accordingly. You can select your preferred video and you can tap on the send button, and there you go. That's how you can send video message on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.